This is what's going on in Vermont right now. We're driving in Shaftesbury, and these are the roads. It's absolutely gorgeous. No kids with me today. I'm off to the dentist, and it's kind of nice to get out here. Went skiing with my boy, with Nixon, this last week, and this is the gorgeous views that are going on in Vermont right now. We are so blessed to live where we live. Thank God they're out of school. They definitely would be out of school this week. But see some of the beautiful houses here in Vermont. There's not many other places in the world that you get these kind of views all day.